Assalamualaikum dan selamat pagi. Nama saya Cikgu Amran. Okey, saya akan teruskan perkongsian saya berkenaan apps yang terdapat di D5 KPM. Okey, jika cikgu-cikgu semua telah pun masuk di browser D5 KPM cikgu, cikgu boleh try cari satu ikon dekat sini iaitu ikon Microsoft Apps. Kita klik kat sini. Kita dah masuk dah kat ikon Microsoft Apps ni. Dia ada satu ikon warna biru yang dinamakan Reading Coach. Okey, mari kita try explore apa itu Reading Coach ni. Kita klik di situ. Dia akan bawa kita ke Microsoft Reading Coach, ke website dia. Cikgu-cikgu boleh klik Get Started. Okay, this is a Reading Coach by Microsoft. Untuk students, cikgu-cikgu boleh guide student cikgu untuk practice reading. For example, dekat sini kita boleh try create a story using AI or read a passage from our library, or cikgu-cikgu boleh add your own passage here. So we try reading a passage from the library that has been given by Microsoft. Click here. So these are the reading online books, but we must guide our student to select which level is right for them first. Cikgu boleh try click here which level is right for me. Okay, kat sini ada setiap example ni. Try reading the example below to choose a good reading level for your story. Cikgu boleh guide anak cikgu ikut level yang bersesuaian. This is level 1. This is level 2, level 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A maximum is 8, level 8. So if your student is suitable in their own level, so let's say we choose level 1. You choose level 1, so click choose. So only level 1 reading books will be available in this website. So we try click one book, which is A Tornado is Coming. So I'm using microphone, so I allow microphone usage. So we can start reading. Kim heard a man talking on the TV. He said a tornado was coming. A tornado is a storm, said Kim's dad. It has big winds. Those winds can hurt trees and houses. We will get ready for it, Dad said. The family packed blankets. They packed food and water. They went into the basement. They heard the tornado pass by. It made so much noise. It missed their house. We are safe, said Kim. And cikgu-cikgu boleh stop reading. And akan ada result. Okay, student akan dapat result, which is pronunciation accuracy 90%. How many seconds? So ni ada practice, word to practice, that, pack, storm, winds and trees. So students can reread again. Okay, so until they pronounce accurately. So this is for the students. For the teachers, kita boleh klik kat sini. Kita boleh assign to the students example reading. We can set a date here. I will set 18. So we can choose open reading, student choose what to read, or single passage, student read a passage chosen by the teachers, by us. So we click here, and for example, we want to use the content from this Microsoft Coach. We click here and we click next. So again, it will brought back to this interface. So you select any books and then click next, and then this is the join code and the link for our students to join. So give this code or the link to them. They must be online and they must have an access to this Microsoft.com website. That is all for today. Terima kasih semua cikgu. Bye.